So, even though I'm not 100%, and here in just a little while I gotta go get my CT scan, which has nothing to do with my back, by the way. They just want to make sure I don't have cancer and all this area that they've been working on and cut parts out of. So today I got a brand new security light. I've had a light in the same spot, but it was a mercury vapor light, and I'm paying for it. I think it's 20 bucks or 25 bucks a month through the electric company. And I kind of told a white lie. I said it wasn't working. And the guy who works for SWEPCO, Southwestern Electric Power Company, he doesn't really care. I mean, he told me that he would put a new one up. Just, I'll show you what I got about 3 months ago. He said, you just got to wait for a little while. He said, don't call right away. So I waited 3 months between. I told him that this one was out up here, and it was out. And you know what? I'll show you these lights tonight, how bright they are. Anyway, he replaced that light. I just went and got my inner tubes put in my hand truck. I could do it myself, but I can't bend over. I can't get on the floor. I can't, and it cost me 20 bucks. So it cost me $8 for the inner tubes and 20 bucks to have them put in. And I've been dealing with this hand cart, flat tires, ever since I've had it for probably 10, 12 years now. And I just, it's worth 28 bucks not to have this happen anymore. I'm backing up here to get my wife. Oh, here's another thing. Bev's car wouldn't start yesterday morning. So I thought it was probably a dead cell in the battery, not having enough juice in it. Oh, sorry. Are you okay? And it may be part of it. But anyway, so I took her battery where I bought it, and I got a brand new battery. It was only 9 or 10 months old. I'm pretty sure the battery had there's a combination of things with Bev's car. First of all, Bev never drives it. And when she does drive it, it's just to her little spring market down here and back. So she never puts more than a mile or two every couple of months on. Or, maybe every week she puts a mile or two on it. So it's not enough to keep the battery charged and charge it back up from starting it. So anyway, I got a brand new battery, thinking that it probably had a dead cell. I'm still pretty sure it may have had a dead cell. But I put a brand new battery in it, and it's still doing nothing but clicking. So I've ordered a starter solenoid. I called Toyota, and they wanted $340 for a Toyota OEM starter solenoid. And I called Rock Auto, didn't call them, went to Rock Auto, and they got $44. So I ordered the $44 one. I'll have to pull the starter off and then replace the solenoid. All right, there's my brand new old hand truck with new tubes. And there's my brand new security light, LED. And I'll show you how bright it is tonight. It is bright. Okay, here's a puzzler. Why is there a T-post in that tree? Why? How would a T-post end up in a tree like that? It's a ways off the ground. So, yeah, it took a little doing. None of the other trees have T-posts in them. I won't be able to sleep until we figure this out. Okay, it's nighttime. You want to go see my brand new security light? How about we pet the baby first? How about we pet my good boy first? Oh, I love that boy so much. All right, let's go look at the light. My God. You get a sunburn over there. And it's going to blind them coons out there and the fox and the deer. All right. That is just gigantically bright. Okay, that was it. Nothing exciting today. I did go get my CT scan and got inner tubes put in my hand truck. Just trying to do little things. I am walking better. I'm actually walking without my walker now, so it's getting better. I think I'm going to take another solid day off tomorrow. I am going to cook in my solar oven. I'm going to cook some brats and cabbage. And I got to take a trip up to our little market here. I don't have any cabbage. I was going to do sauerkraut, but I think I'll do cabbage. Okay. Have a good Wednesday? Yeah. Have a good Wednesday, y'all.